Hugas muna ako uli guys ng plato bago ko lutuin yung biko. So, katatapos lang namin kumain guys ng tanghalian. Hugas muna ako ng mga plato bago natin lutuin yung biko. Para snack naman mamaya. So, ayan na po guys yung ating latik para sa ating biko. Kung maganda na ang pagkakaano niya, lapot. So, ilagay na natin yung ating biko. Pakainin natin si Habi ng biko. So, latik na nga guys. Malapot na siya sobra. So, ilagay na natin yung ating biko. Lagay na natin yung ating sinaing na biko. Putong-putong pa siya. So, ito na po guys yung ating nalutong biko. Ayan. Bigyan natin kay Happy. Hi, love. You want to eat biko?
Yeah.
Okay, you sit down here. Biko is ready to cook. Kain muna kami guys ng biko. Abraham, do you want to eat biko? Yeah. Come here. You sit down with daddy. Come on. Come on, sit down here. We'll eat biko. Okay, you sit down there. Biko is nice. Ayaw ni Abraham ng biko. How about taste?
Very nice, bacon.
Very nice.
Yes, it's not very. It tastes. It's not very sweet, but it's not very thing. It tastes very nice. Perfect.
Kain tayo guys ng biko. Baby, close the door. You want to eat biko? So what can you say, love?
It is very, very nice and delicious. Yum.
Yan guys, kumakain yung asawa ko ng biko.
Let's eat, everybody.
Let's eat guys. So ayan po guys, napaparami ang kain ni Habi ng biko. Kasi favorite po talaga niya ang biko.
Let's eat, everybody. Do you like bacon, Danica?
Danica, kain na biko.